Uh, Let me, hi, this is Oscar. I'm going to talk about today the method uppercase and lowercase and what we can do with the string and remove a portion of the string and replacing a portion of the string. Let me start with this one. Let me write, for example, again, word, and I like to have a space, and I say that we need free. Okay, so what I want to do that I want to change all of them to uppercase. What I can do, I can say that print. I, the reason that I put the print because I want to on the screen you see it. You don't have to do it. I can say just, but we see how does it work. The word that I use it and use upper and put that's it, and let you see that how it's going to work. I just put the current and let's go. So we change. We are able to change only one of them. If this was just only with a small letter and I want to capitalize it, I'm able to just capitalize this. I do the same thing. I say print and instead apple I put capitalize the word. So see what will happen. It's going to capitalize the first letter that it was a lowercase letter. See this right now, everything is capitalized, uppercase. I can do at this point, I can do this one for lowercase, lower it, all of them. Let me do this one. So it's going to be lowercase. So those are method that we are using, or I can take certain part of the string out of that one. For example, if I want to say that I want to take the white space out of strip that one, let me show you how I'm able to do it. I have, for example, here white space here right after the word, but I don't need it. And then it takes whatever is right now. Let me run it, see how does it go. See, there is no right now any space around that one. Probably if I put this one here, we are able to see is a space here. Let me see how does it work. We have right now a space here, but we don't need a space. On the strip, it takes any space from the first of the sentence at the end. So look at that. Here, there is no space. As you see, there is no space here. So I took all the space and took all of the space here. So let's take the space here. Or we want to replace that. Let me show you how we are able to. Here, for example, I want instead word be globe or freedom or yeah, let me say that is I want to replace this word here. How can I do it? Just again, just print it to a screen to see that how it's going to work. I can say that the valuable word I want to replace the word here with I want to replace them global. Okay, let me see how does it work. Okay, what's happened here, I replace the word as globe, so we are able to replace anything on the sentence. I'm able to change not only one, I can say around the word and change it. Here it is. I don't want to say around the word just with globe. So we cut it so many things. So we are able replacing any character or any words from and replace. The next one that probably is going to be interesting, if we have, we can check in if there a string is empty, total empty or not. For example, here, if I just put and then make this word as an empty string, nothing inside me. This is right now. So what I can do, I want to make sure that if this string is empty, it's a very possibility that a user wants to just send nothing on that. If you ask their name and they didn't put anything, so you want to make sure that they have to put something in word on that. So what we can say that if I don't want printing on the screen, but we have to print it on the screen to see what is happening here, I can say that words that I put it right there, that is white space. Just say is white space. So it's tell me true or false. If there is, it tells me true or false. Let me run it, see what's good. It's true. But if it should be just one character, whatever is going to be on inside, just only one character, or even white space between before or after, or right here. If I say if it's has white space, if I run it, it says false. Doesn't make any difference if it's just, and even if I don't, if there is nothing on this string, and if I were asked that this is the white space, no, there is nothing here. There is no space here. This is one thing else that you have to remember. Hopefully you have to practice it first. If you have a string and you want to make sure, or you want to change that string, the first letter character of that one to capitalize. Again, one thing good about that one, if you want your database or any place that if somebody insert the any string, the first letter of the first character of the string be capitalized, or uppercase, lowercase, and replace, and if it's in white space. Okay, let's go for next. Please don't forget thumbs up or subscribe for new lesson.